Africa my continent. Wejasinta lalela. La sinobhuti omdala la. Transport month into ebalekile uqinisekisa ukuthi ke imigwaqo iphephile. Ukuphepha kwemigwaqo kunezinto eziningi phakathi. Ungazobheka ama-truck nama-overload kunezinye izinto ezikhona. Abanye odriver abanama license, abanye odriver badriver bephuzile, amanye ama-truck awaboshiwe ama-twist lock. Kuningi kuyenzeka. Kodwa ke oyibukele nangibhuti omdala edila naso ke lesimo ke. Siqala ngimhla ka1 nasi simehlangana naso ekseni namhlanje. Oyibukele ethi
but I forgot the passport in Debe because this truck is my first time to drive. So I forgot my passport in other truck.
So you have a passport, you don't have the PRTP, you don't have a license of driving the truck.
I'm using the Zimbabwe license, this one.
Where is your work permit that allows you to work in South Africa?
You don't have a PRTP. Agree that you don't have a PRTP because you don't have anything that proves your medicals.
I hate it.
Where is it? Bring it. Nicolan carriers. Nicolan.
I'm just going to say that
angese sidedele imphathi ngoba uzoboshwa yena bazoverify abafowethu uma kuwukuthi tholakala ukuthi akanabo impela uzoboshwa izothatha yona impahla kuze kulinde ukuthi umnike umuntu onabo.
I think we are not harsh on the owners because
the problem is that who takes the owner uma ubopha udrive ushiya lo awusizi ukuqasha umuntu ingakho sathatha i-decision ukuthi sibopha umnikazi
shaya le ndoda edriver ngosemthethweni.
I-PRTP nakanayo ngoba umthetho uthi if is a foreign driver with foreign documentation part of SADC, every year you must go to your country of origin and then get your medical certificate from your country of origin. Right now you do not have that, so you cannot operate a truck which is supposed to have a PRTP. So what you are showing me now here is a defensive driving certificate, but it's not your PRTP. And you are supposed to do medicals every year in Zimbabwe if you are driving here with your Zimbabwean documentation. So you don't have a PRTP. So amanye nje ama-challenges amancane-ke sesibenzile ayibo laba futhi labanga ke ngiyaka-immigration iyasilekelela but ababaningi so abakwazi ukuba khona all the time. I-Weighbridge isebenza every day since Weighbridge every day, but sinale challenge yokuthi bona from their side masinama-operation aplaniwe bayabakhona kodwa on a normal day-to-day business on a normal day-to-day ababi khona kuba ithina kuphela. So sinaleyo challenge when it comes to that.
We talk to them, especially the transport month. We must start now. Who's the owner of this truck?
The owner is there in Kainta.
Who is the owner?
It's called Nicolan.
That's his name?
Yeah.
Did you call him and tell him?
Is that a truck company or the name of the owner?
I think it's the name of the owner. To my side, I started driving this truck on Friday.
Okay.
That was my first time.
So you've been driving another truck without PRTP, without any processes?
All along I was staying in Cape Town. I was working in the farm, so I just see this post on Facebook.
You were working on the farms? So you are driving the truck because you have a license, you are driving the truck for the first time. You can't control it, you won't be able to do anything, you have no experience. Do you know what that is going to do to the road users?
No, I take my license 24. So, but for
it's
now,
okay, but you have not been driving, you've been working on the farm. Now you are taking this truck with a full load to Johannesburg, wherever you go.
Do you understand that? Do you understand the argument?
Yeah,
you are saying that you were working on the farm. You took the truck on Friday. That is what you are saying.
Yeah, I came here Friday.
I'm saying to you,
Yes,
listen to what my manager is saying. You are saying that you took the truck on Friday. You were working in a farm in Cape Town.
Yeah, I was driving in the farm in Cape Town.
Well, now you are driving.
I was driving a truck in Cape Town, but it was a farm. So I came this side.
So how many years experience do you have?
No, but you drive a truck, you're grapes. How many grapes?
How many years experience?
Driving a freight
How many
truck.
years experience do you have driving?
This guy.
Okay, where were you driving? In South Africa?
Yeah, in South Africa.
From 2012?
From 20, let's say 27.
Where is this?
So from 2017,
Doesn't
you were
have a
driving
permit.
without your PR
No. I used to find another job.
Uphethe i-ID yangaphunda.
But last month, I was
Ya
driving in
baba
Cape
phethe
Town.
ama-passport.
in the farm.
Nawo.
Driving a truck in Cape Town.
Truck tractor.
Abazi abanawo
No, a truck.
nabo so.
No, but this is a truck tractor.
All of us done.
This is a truck tractor and this is a trailer and it's a trailer.
Can't compromise.
By definition, that is a truck tractor.
Ngoba lesiteti wakasiphethe. Intention.
You guys are causing
Kodwa
accidents.
yena
Don't have experience to drive a freight truck on the long distance. Should we experience problems here? You are going to cause accidents and people are going to die. That's the problem.
Let me see.
No, I was driving.
Don't argue. Don't argue.
No, to stand in the farm.
So you're yeah, expired at 2026. Where's the property?
Oh,
So this is yours. Where's your license?
Where's your
Without the property fee.
where's your medical certificate?
2012.
Where's your medical certificate? Come here. Where is it? It's a tracking. Humble chat.
I think the split up home will have proceed with them. The wolf and the team. Thanks. We just have to enhance the scope. I'm sure that because otherwise we'll be taken for a ride. And in Moy River, from time to time, people are closing the toll gate as a result of foreign illegal drivers who doesn't have the permit, does not have medical, does not have all the papers. And it is giving us this government with all the SADC protocols that have been followed. You guys are not adhering to those rules, and it compromises us. And I'm sure you know by now that at the end, it's government that is going to be blamed for your sins.
It is dated 30 August 2020. And your medicals must be done every year. You know that. Your medicals it's right, it's from Zimbabwe, but they must be done every year. You know that. But except you've got a South African driver's license. So in your case, you are right because you renew every time it expires. But you are using a Zimbabwean driver's license. If you are using a foreign driver's license and you're operating here, every year you must renew. When I asked you before you left whether you have your medicals, and you said you do. But this was 2020. So you don't have your medicals as well. So we will charge you for operating without a PRTP. And you too. We will charge you. And then they're still going to arrest you.
You are going
But
to
we'll charge you first.
We are going to
Then we arrest you later.
No, don't be the matter. It's fine.